Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create an iCloud account. Firstly, on your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app on your device. Tap Sign In to your iPhone at the top. Tap Don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. Just select Create Apple ID. Enter your name, date of birth, and email address. You can use your existing email or get a free iCloud email. Set a password and security questions, then agree to the terms and conditions. Verify your email by entering the verification code sent to your inbox, and enter your device passcode to complete the setup. Once verified, your new Apple ID will be ready to use. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. If you need any more help, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.